Are you seeking inner joy, emotional upliftment, and peace? Then this meditation is especially for you. Hello, my dear ones. I'm Dr. Kashika Jain. I'm a clinical psychologist. Today, I will make you experience this amazingly beautiful happiness meditation. Now, I want you to make quick arrangements. Find a comfortable and quiet place so you can sit there and you can experience this amazing meditation, because we all just want to feel happy in every moment, and this inner joy, inner peace, emotional upliftment are the priceless feelings. So quickly isolate yourself to experience this beautiful meditation. Make sure your environment is distraction free. I hope you are done with the arrangements. Now, sit comfortably, and if you have any difficulty in sitting, you can lie down as well. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath in. Exhale and relax. 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 Again, take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Again, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, feel your body relaxing, releasing tension. With every breath, you are becoming more and more calm, more centered, more at peace. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting your body. Feel your shoulders relaxing, your jaw softening, your mind beginning to slow down. Now imagine a warm wave of relaxation slowly moving from the top of your head down to your forehead, behind your eyes, flowing down to your neck and shoulders. Now down your arms to your fingertips, relaxing your chest, your stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way to your toes. Your whole body is now calm, safe, and still. And your mind is becoming more open, more receptive, more positive, joyful. With every breath, my dear, you go deeper into a beautiful, peaceful state. I will now count slowly from 10 to 1. With each count, feel yourself going deeper into inner calm, deeper into a state of joy and ease. 10. Let go everything. 9. Deeply still. 8. More peaceful and light. 7. Drifting down gently. 6. So relaxed. 5. Safe and secure. 4. Feeling lighter. 3. More happier. 2. Deeply open. And 1. Deeply connected to your inner joy. My dear, now imagine a golden light surrounding you. The light is warm, safe, and filled with happiness. It slowly enters your body, filling every cell with peace, positivity, and joy. As this light fills you, you feel a sense of inner calm, a natural smile rising from your heart, a deep connection with yourself and life. My dear, now repeat this silently or aloud. I choose to feel happy now and always. Happiness flows through me effortlessly. I deserve to be happy. Joy is my natural state. Every moment is a gift, and I welcome it with love. I let go of worries and open to bliss. I radiate happiness from within. Let these words sink deep in your subconscious mind. Feel them becoming your truth. Now imagine a place where you feel truly happy. It could be real or imaginary, a forest, a beach, a garden, or a room filled with sunlight. See the colors, feel the air, hear the sounds. Just be there. You are there, smiling, glowing from within. Nothing else matters. Just this moment of pure joy and contentment. Anchor this place in your heart. Anytime you need joy, you can return here with just a breath. I repeat, anytime you need joy, you can return here with just a breath. Now imagine yourself going through the rest of your day or tomorrow with a smile in your heart, speaking kindly, walking confidently, feeling light, cheerful, grounded. Others notice your glow. Your presence uplifts them, and your happiness multiplies each time you share it. Now you are the source of your joy. Now finally affirm this. I carry happiness within me. I allow joy to fill my heart. Repeat it one more time. I carry happiness within me. I allow joy to fill my heart. Wonderful. Now, I'm allowing you moments to live your life happily with inner peace, joy, with emotional upliftment. You will hear my voice again after a few minutes. Wonderful, amazing. Now it's time to return back to the awareness. Now, in a moment, I will count from 1 to 5. When I reach 5, you will return to full awareness, refreshed, joyful, and uplifted. Just be grateful with the feeling of gratitude. Come back into the awareness. 1. Becoming aware of your body. 2. Gently moving your fingers. 3. Bringing back the golden feeling of joy. 4. Smiling softly. 5. Eyes open, fully aware. Welcome back in the consciousness. Now you are a pure source of your inner calm, your inner joy. You are emotionally uplifted. You are a peaceful being. You are a bundle of happiness. Smile, be grateful. Whenever you wish to have these feelings, whenever you want to experience this inner calm, you can again return back to this channel. Again experience this amazing meditation. Fill yourself with happiness, inner calm, joy. And now, my dear, share this powerful meditation with your dear ones so that they can also fill themselves with happiness. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and share your experience in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Take care.